Hello, this is Ramesh, Assistant Professor in the Department of Psychology. Today we are going to see a small introduction into psychology. What is psychology? It focuses on how individuals think, feel, and act in everyday lives. This topic connects theoretical knowledge and also with practical life experience, making it its high relevant. Human behavior is influenced by various factors like internal factors and external factors, thoughts, emotion, and environmental conditions. All play an important role in shaping a behavior. Understanding these concepts helps to understand an individual, managing their personal and social life effectively. This video provides you a structured overview of psychology. It includes meaning, nature, goals, applications of the subjects. This foundation is essential for further learning into their psychology. Connection between a mind and behavior. There is a strong relationship between mental process and a behavior. Thoughts and emotions are directly influence actions. This connection helps how internal state affect and external responses. Behavior also influence mental process. Actions can change through emotional state over time. This create a continuous interaction between the mind and their behavior. Understanding this relationship helps to explain the individual difference among peoples. People respond differently to the same situation due to variation in their thoughts and emotions. This concept is central to a psychological factors. Definition of psychology in modern view. Psychology is defined as the scientific study of behavior and mental process. These definitions highlight both observable and internal aspects of human functions. It's reflect the comprehensive nature of the subjects, the uses of scientific method, distinguishing the psychology and philosophic as an evidence-based approach to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the subjects. This makes psychology a structured discipline. The modern definition emphasizes practical applications. Psychology is used in various fields such as education, health, and workplace settings. This show its wide scope and relevance in the field. Psychology as a biosocial science. Psychology is considered a biosocial science because it includes both biological and social factors. Biological aspects involves the brain, nervous system, and hormones. These factors influence thoughts, emotion, and behavior. Social factor includes environment, culture, and relationship with others. These external influence shape how an individual behave in different contexts. They play a significant role in human development. The interaction between the biological and sociological factors explain the complex of a behavior. Neither factor alone can fully explain a human actions. This integrated approach provides an complete understanding how an individual behave in a certain way. Psychology and common sense. Common sense is based on an individual's personal beliefs and everyday experience. It is often subjective and varies from one another. This makes it less reliable in nature and in understanding a behavior. Psychology, on the other hand, is based on scientific research. It uses systematic methods to collect and analyze the data. This ensures the conductions are accurate and valid. The difference between psychology and common sense lies in the evidence and the objectivity. Psychology provides a deeper and more reliable explanation. This makes it more useful in understanding a human behavior. Goals of psychology. Psychology has four main goals that guides its study. These goals are describing, explaining, predicting, and modifying a behavior. Each goal serves a specific purpose in understanding a human behavior. These goals follows a logical sequence. Description comes first, followed by explanation, prediction, and modifications. This sequence helps in a systematic analysis. These goals are applied in various practical fields. They are used in research, education, counseling, and organizational settings. This shows that the practical importance of a psychology. Goal 1, describing a behavior. Describing a behavior involves observing and recording action systematically. It focuses on identifying the patterns and the characteristics without making a judgment. This step is essential for accurate understanding of an behavior. Psychologists use various methods such as observations and interviews. These methods helps in collecting detailed information about an individual. Accurate data is important for further analysis. Descriptions from the foundations of psychological studies. Without the proper observation or an information, further steps cannot be carried out effectively. It is the first and foremost step of understanding a human behavior. Thank you. That's all for today's class.